Today we're going to use our imaginations to learn about the preposition on. Remember the old days when they told you to say the pen is on the table? A table is a flat surface. You're going to use your imagination to think about things as flat surfaces, like a table, the pen. It indicates your location on something, like for example, you are on the bus, you are on an airplane, you are on a train. Your location is on the surface of these things. And a list. In the old days, lists were made of paper, agendas and schedules were made of paper, so your name is on this list. Your agenda, on your agenda, there are many things to do. Your birthday falls in the month of January, on the 5th. So days of the month are going to be also imagined as paper. Imagine your birthday falls in January on the 5th. Happy birthday if it's on the 5th.